Hello friends, now I'm Nihar. I am here to share a program with you. I have got a query of a student how to swap two numbers. Suppose there are two variables A and B. After swapping, their values will change. Suppose A has 40, B has 30, and after the swapping, the end results will be A will have the contents of B, that is 30, and B will have the contents of A, that is 40. So swapping means change of the contents. Suppose you can easily understand this instead of value. If I have two cups A and B, one has tea, one other has coffee. After the exchange, after the swapping, the end result should be the cup A will have coffee and the cup B will have tea. But how you can exchange the tea and coffee of two cups? How can you exchange a content? You can only exchange these contents with the help of a third cup. Okay, so I am taking another cup C. I will pour the tea into C. Cup C. The cup C was empty. I will pour the contents of A in C. Now after I have poured the contents in C, A will become empty and C will be in cup C. Now I can pour the contents of B in A because A is empty now. And after I pour coffee into A, B will be empty and cup A will have coffee. Now after this, what can I do? I will pour the contents of C, that was tea, into cup of B. B is empty now. I can pour the contents of C into B. So now B will have tea and B will have tea and C becomes empty. C becomes empty and now A has coffee in the earlier step. So have you seen how with the help of a third cup I have exchanged their contents and I have got the same contents what was expected. A was coffee, B was tea. You know? Similarly, we can exchange the values using a third variable. So how you will write the program? Program is to swap two numbers. Now how you will swap the two numbers? First of all, write the rem statement to swap two numbers. Now how many variables we need? We will need three variables. First of all, suppose I am taking a variable A is 30. Using a let statement, I am initializing the value of A and B as 70, suppose. Now I will have another variable C. You can also take the input of A and B, but here I am just initializing it. You can also take the inputs of A and B. Now what I have to do, first of all I have to make A empty. So I will pour the contents of C into A. This expression means I am pouring the contents of A into C. C was empty variable. If I have not taken any value, in basic we suppose it to be empty variable, and if not empty, if no sensible value is there in C. After I write this expression as C is equal to A, means I am saving the value of A into C, that is pouring the contents of A into C. Now 30 would be poured into C, and now after this pouring process, after this I have put the values, A will become empty and C will have 30. Okay, now next step would be, now we have A as empty, so let A is equal to contents of B, that is I am putting the contents of B into A. This is like B has 70, A is now empty. A was empty now. In the earlier statement, A became empty. I'm pouring the value of 70 into B of content of B in A. Now A will have 70 and B will become empty. Okay. Now I can easily fill B with the value as C, because my content of A was poured into C. Now contents of C will be poured in B. This statement means contents of C poured into B. Contents of C was, C contain 30 value. After the pouring, after this statement, C will become empty and B will have the value as 30. Now after these all three statements, what is the value of A? 70. What is the value of B? It is 30. Have you seen the exchange of values? Now I have missed one statement. I am just including it. After I have taken the input, or I have initialized the values of A and B, we should print their values, so that we should know print A is equal to A, B is equal to B. Now this statement will print the initial values of A and B, and after this I will print, after the swapping of the values, I will print A is equal to A, B is equal to B, and 80 end. Now how this program will work? I have taken a value A as 30, B as 70. So the first print statement will print, sorry, it will print whatever is written in double quotes. It will print A is equal to A. The initial value of A before the swapping statements is 30, and B is equal to 70. And after this exchange of these three statements are the process part of swapping. These are the processing part. I will have, after swapping, A is 70 and B is 30. I have exchanged the values. Exchange is successful now. This is swapping of two variables. Okay.